Wagon everybody, Niketa here. So I was chatting for a good 5 minutes and then I realized that I did not press record. So sad. But Wagon here. I will be traveling to Jamaica I'm traveling to Jamaica tomorrow and I wanted to document that experience. Traveling has changed drastically. We are living in a pandemic, and as such, some of the documents that we need have changed. For one, to go to Jamaica, you need to be approved. You need to seek authorization within 7 days of your flight, as well as you need to complete a COVID PCR test that is negative. I'm flying from Newark, New Jersey to Montego Bay, and I will be sharing with you my whole preparation for travel and my travel experience. October 20th, and I am starting this month's vlog. I'm heading to the urgent care to do a COVID test. Currently waiting to do my PCR and rapid test to travel. Well, I just need to do the PCR, but I'm just going to do both. So I have to do this. Today is the 20th, and then I have to do it next week again to return. I'll only be in Jamaica for about 5 days and I'll be required to do 2 COVID tests, one to go and one to come back. So that's it. So I survived. I didn't scream or anything, but it was a little bit uncomfortable. I did it in this nostril because it's a little bit moist, I guess. So I'm getting ready to go home, and a part of the requirement of going home is to go on this page and fill out this form. You have to do like an assessment and then you get an authorization to travel basically. So this is a requirement if you are planning to travel to Jamaica. Is also a form B. There's also a form B. It's a quarantine order. Basically, I guess it basically says, I haven't read it. Basically it says that you will be staying at the address that you specify that you'll be staying for the duration of your trip. And yes, this form is very long. This form online as well, which is just declaration of the items that you're bringing into the country. Normally prior to, I guess, COVID, you'd have been required to fill this out on the plane, but now this is an online form, which is helpful. Morning guys, at the airport I did the self check-in. Let me go through the forms one more time. Also the book that I will be reading this one, my first Toni Morrison, well, the month of November, but I'm just going to start early because I have a week not working. So my travel authorization at my PCR COVID negative COVID test. There's one form I don't have, however I'm going to ask them to help me, which is a declaration form from JetBlue. I don't know if it's specific to the airline or what, but I don't have that form. I saw that message this morning. Let me find somebody. I have one form which was the declaration. It also happened that I didn't need. I filled it out quickly in the line, but I didn't need to. I'm really wondering if I should get something. I am at gate 52. I'm wondering if I should get like tea or something, but at the same time I don't want to drink a lot of liquids. Let me get 51 to 57. Let me get where I need to go. So I am now in the departure lounge. I need to look into, mind you, I don't travel that much currently, but definitely when I do start traveling, I want to get the known traveler number. I think that's what it is, or whatever. That's something I definitely need to look into. I've seen some TikToks on it, and even doing the pre-checks and stuff, I saw that option come up if you have a known traveler number. So that's something I need to look into the possibility of getting whenever it is that I start to travel. But it wasn't a hassle experience. The form that I didn't fill out, I think it's a declaration form just to say that you have a negative COVID test and all of that. I did fill it out on my phone last minute, but I wasn't even asked for it because I had my negative test. So reminder, you just need your authorization, your negative COVID-19 test, and then your regular travel documents. Oh yeah, looking and waiting. I'm on my Rothy's. I need my sand color Rothy's. Rothy's are like my favorite shoes. Very comfortable, very perfect for traveling. Place any small personal items such as laptops, backpacks, purses, and shopping bags underneath the seat in front of you. Once again, any small person. Hey everybody, so I am still in Jamaica. Today is on October 29th. So I was supposed to meet my sisters here in Octover yesterday, but I was finishing up my hair, getting stuff to take back, and it just never worked out. But I'm here. I have a few hours. I need to be at Sangster International for what time I need for that? My flight is at 2:30, so I need to be there by about 10 something, 11. I need to be there by about 11. I don't know. I need to be there. So when I get there, I want to quickly just show you guys around it's a bed and breakfast. They do have a restaurant, so you can get food here. But like this trip is just so rushed. I didn't get Island Girl from I've been here. So I went and got Island Girl yesterday. And I think there's like 3 different sections. So let me show you guys around, and they're very reasonable price. They're very reasonable price, and they are on Main Street, Octover, so like right in the center. Everything KFC, they're ready. So Burger King, Island Grill. If you're, if that matters to you, if you won't have a ride and devotion and keep, I'm about to keep devotion in a second too. I think there's a church nearby, because sometimes I hear singing. But yeah. It definitely is a cute little property. You could stay here for a few days if you just want something simple, bed and breakfasty. And in my opinion, it is reasonable price. I really didn't vlog. I was spending time with family. Some of my family members that, I talked to them on the phone, or people that I really never met in person. So it wasn't a vlog time. Oh, breakfast smell like it's going good. As you can hear, prayer meeting is going on, but hopefully you can hear me as well. There is a tennis court. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Some of my mango for the eat. I'm gonna try to eat at least 2 more mango them, because I can't carry them, unfortunately. Like, something's just sad. God no. So this is the little garden area. I'm not sure where it leads to. There's some little like bridges like that all over the property, which I like. These kind of arches. What is this? And a pigeon. A dove? I don't know what kind of bird them here. But some birds are here. Yeah, this was definitely a family chill trip. I wouldn't even say friends because I barely see my friends. But they understand. They understand. And there was a parakeet here. I'm gonna see him. I don't know them do it in my nighttime. He was here and he's so big and pretty. Oh, I think that's his tail. You see that? Yeah, shoot. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up.
No. No. No.
Ali, help me up.
I don't even
Don't move it.
You can see?
Tired, dig up the place. Awesome.
So cute. Look at him.
You move faster? You see me, I do him some. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Walk good.